If you're seeing this video, you really should consider yourself blessed. Not because you're seeing me, but because you're seeing a time like this, where a grown man can stand out on his front porch and talk into a phone and that seem normal. I'll wait for y'all to let that one sink in. We're living in a time where Babylon is fully exposed. The lie is so obvious, and the signs are all around. I don't know how much more obvious you have to be.
What?
It's not one thing with La Palma fixing to go off and hit the tsunami or the... There's another volcano that just started going off. Go look it up. It's in Indonesia, I think. And when you look it up, I dung you not. They say that it started by a thunderstorm. I was asking my wife what kind of thunderstorm can start off a volcano. And she said, God. And I thought that was sort of interesting because God answered Job out of the whirlwind twice. And he took Elijah up in a whirlwind. Whoo! And they say the storms are coming across the country. Buckle up, folks. It's almost Christmas. We're here with a big emergency. Somebody's lost their pet.
Somebody has lost their alligator. He lost
Thanks, unvaccinated people.
You're welcome.